Alright guys, so if you can't tell already, I am in another HVAC heaven. I'll show you our air conditioner first. This is another complex. This is a condo complex. So go ahead and show you our air conditioner first. This is an old 80s carrier round one. This is a model that I've never seen before. It's got 5 fan blades, Bristol reciprocating compressor, I'm pretty sure of. See, all I know is that these might be 3 tons. Yeah, 3 ton or 2.5 ton. Looks like. Last time I couldn't find the serial number. I'm gonna guess it's like from 85 or 84. But yeah, and then there's another one here at the neighbor's house. This one has a metal top, and here's a York. It's got a rotary compressor. See, this one is from 2007, looks like, and it is a 2 ton, it looks like. And then over here is a day and night. Right there. I'm joined with my friend. Okay. Let's see, this one is from 1991. This might be a 3 ton. 2.5 ton. And there's 2 heat pumps over here. It's an American Standard heat pump. This one, this is from 2004. That's kind of old. It's a Heritage 12. And this is a 3 ton, it looks like. See there, right there is the reversing valve. There's 2 more units. This is a Goodman Street Cool air conditioner. And this one is from 2012, and it is a 3 ton, it looks like. Or 13,000 BTUs. Might be a 3 ton. And here's a Bryant heat pump. (2015) 2 ton, I believe. Here's another small carrier. Let's see. This is 38,000 BTU, so this is a 3 ton maybe. I can never find the date, so I guess this is where I started putting models or dates on them. Alright, now for the next aisle area. Down the street over here. There's one down there. This is a nice condo complex. There's a whole treasure trove of different brands here. I said that in my last video yesterday. And there's 2 garage doors over there. So here I haven't been. Last time I took a video, but I never uploaded it. Ooh. This is an old Bryant. Similar to my childhood one that I used to have. 1998. Looks like a 3 ton. Copeland compressor. And there's a Lennox Merit series and an Amana Distinctions. Street Cool air conditioner. Let's see. Get back here. This one is from 2016, like the others, and it is a 1.5 ton, I believe. Here are distinctions. Heat pump with a Copeland compressor. It looks like 3 ton from 2000. That explains why it's oh sorry, this one's from 2008. Read that a little weird. And then there it looks like to be a ICP, maybe Copeland compressor. Oh, this is actually a Bryant, now that I look at it more. This also is a reminder of my childhood air conditioner. Let's crouch down here. And this is a 1994 3 ton, it looks like, or 2.5 ton. There's an old pane right there. And another carry around one, high efficiency air conditioner. Not gonna bother getting the data off those, because those are everywhere. Older pane, very corroded. Those coils are gonna start flaking off soon. We live by the sea, so yeah, pane logo's worn off. 2010, 13,000 BTU it looks like. There's a little pane hiding back here. Bristol reciprocating compressor, the newer stuff. It's kind of hard to maneuver around here. This is a 05. I think this is a 2 ton maybe? I don't know. I can't read that well. And here, let's see. So there's these. And the main distinctions again over there. Come on. Now to the next aisle. And there's the 2 garage doors. Looks like an old Chamberlain or LiftMaster. LiftMaster. Nurse opener. I think one's running. Nope, never mind. Something else. Ooh, here's a new one. Syria. This is probably a Nordyne product. Probably a Brown or something. See, this is a 2.5 ton. And it's not the easiest reading these model numbers. I think that's a 1 ton, judging by the size of the compressor as well. And then here's a newer Amana and a carrier round one that looks like it's been serviced. Straight cool air conditioner. 14 SEER. See, different tag. This is a 4 ton from 2018. Another round one. Someone's coming. I know. Oh, that's cool. And there's a Goodman and a American Standard. Looks like a newer one from 2016. Silver Series.
You want to buy one?
Maybe one day.
You're looking to find out what kind it is?
Yeah, 2.5 ton, I believe.
It's only about $7,000.
That's a lot of money. There's a Goodman. I'll try to get as many date says I can. 2014 310. Alright, let's see if there's probably another. Oh, yep, unit back here. Ooh, looks like my grandmother's pain. This looks just like my grandmother's pain. Can't see down in there, but it has a scroll compressor, so this might be the exact model that my grandmother has on her roof. This is from '06, and it is a 2-ton, I'm guessing. I'm kind of rusty on reading my model numbers. This one actually looks a little bit newer than the others. 2.5 ton maybe. Let's see if there's one on the other side over here. Which I believe there was. Yep. Two actually. Two little panes. That one's got a Tecumseh compressor. It kind of smells like dookie over here. I think I almost stepped in it right there. 1996. 3-ton it looks like. Maybe a 2.5. This one. Got the newer Bristolers over getting 03. 2-ton, I'm guessing, or 1.5. All right. On to the next one. And try and film as much as I can over here. There's a few ducks. It's all cloudy right now. On to the next. Here we go. And this is a new Rheem platform. These are newer. (2017), and it is a can't exactly read that model number that well. Might be a 14,000 BTU, 1-ton. Small compressor and taller unit, bigger unit. Must mean it's more efficient. I think there's a York heat pump right there. Here's a carrier base model. That is a heat pump. We're in LA, and it looks like it was running earlier. It might have been 2015. (1-ton it looks like. Or 4-ton. 1-ton or 4-ton, I can't really tell. Another carrier round one. And then here's the old York, or New York heat pump. York LX series. This one actually has the reciprocating compressor. From 2015, I believe. That is, and it is a 24,000 BTUs, it looks like. 1.5 ton, I believe. Alrighty. And back there, there's another one of those panes and another round one. There's a Train XR series. Pane. This one's a heat pump. 2010. 13,000 BTUs, it looks like. Might be another turd right there. This might be a heat pump, actually. Yep, heat pump. See the reversing valve in there, and it looks like data sheets on this side. 2017 Train XR series. This looks like a 1.5 ton, 24,000 BTUs, which means that's how you read those model numbers. Like I said, what?
Good look at that. It's really nice. Good duck. Look at that duck.
Yeah, there might actually be some units over here, because the last time I came here, which was a year ago,
Look at all those ducks.
I saw units.
Look at all those ducks.
There might be a few units around here.
Ducks. Look at all those chickens.
And some ducks. Alright. On to the next aisle.
That's good.
I think. Just that train, and it looks like a pane that I forgot to read. Did I read this one? I can't remember. Another teardrop. 2004. Looks like a 1 ton, maybe a little under. Very small one. I don't think you guys are gonna see many HVAC videos after this, because I'm into other stuff like ceiling fans, maybe. There's more garage doors. That one's a newer LiftMaster.
Sounds like a bird.
I don't know what's going on in there. I don't feel like finding out right now. See, this part of the building I haven't been to yet. Most of these parts I have not been to. And I see 2 disconnect boxes, so there's units over here. Well, there are units over here. Alrighty. Looks like a pane and another round one, and 2 American Standards. This one is a different pane, or Bryant, with an older Bristol compressor. And that is old. It's got that old tag on it too. 1993, so yeah, it's older.
It's pretty old.
1.5 ton, I believe. Other Heritage 11, 2005. And this is a 1.5 ton, I believe. So, might be a heat pump. Oh, this is a heat pump. I looked at one of these before, and they weren't heat pumps. But Climate's up reciprocating compressor, and this one's got big sound blanket. That's right here. Heritage 13 from 2007. I hope you guys are seeing this. I don't know. Someone decode that for me. I don't know what it says exactly. And let's follow my friends. And hello. Let's see, maybe over here. Oh, yep. More garage doors. Yeah, this has way more brands than the last one. The only different brand is that I saw in the last HVAC Heaven was that Tiny Carrier from '94, I believe. And some more old comfort maker right there. Sorry. In my foot. Heritage 12. Another heat pump. Another tough scroll compressor. 2002. I don't know, most of you guys have to decode the numbers on the American standards because I'm kind of struggling right now. There's a carrier base model or commercial series. 2008. Let's see, 1.5 ton maybe. There's an old ICP product with another fan motor hack job. Newer motor. Alright. See, this is an ICP product. Air conditioner, straight cooling unit. Scroll compressor. From, okay. Well, number, it might be a 310. That's a weird serial number. Gonna take a small guess. This is from 1998. Okay. There's a newer Goodman heat pump. It's a shame that it's cloudy now because it was sunny earlier. 4 ton or 3.5 ton from 2017. It's a fairly new one. Stepped in something. Hope it wasn't Dookie. Let's see. More units over here. Yep. Bunch more units over here. There's another Lennox Merit series. Looks like a Concord or an Airflow. I guess this one's an Airflow. This is a different looking one. Lennox, huh? So this is an older Lennox. And straight cool, looks like. It's from 05. 2005. Almost said 2005. And this looks like a 2.5 ton. Ooh, that's an old one right there. Tempstar. Villager series. I have yet to actually catch this one running. Oh my god. In here, ICP. Looks like the Tempstar. I'll get the Tempstar in a second. This is a 1991, from 1991. It actually says the date right there, which is awesome. And it is a maybe a 3 ton or a 2.5 ton. Tempstar air conditioner, 3 ton or 2.5 ton. I don't know, maybe XE can tell me what that date is, because I think I remember these are from the 80s. Another Lennox Merit. There's the second one here. Or maybe the third that I've seen. 2015. 1.5 ton. Alright, is there any more over here, actually, is the question. And I don't think so. Probably missed one. Alright. There goes the car. Yeah, me too. Alright, and here. Ooh, there's a day and night heat pump. This one is also running in heat mode. There's a valve down there. (2016) 18,000 BTUs. It looks like 1 ton. One shut off. It's probably an American Standard right here. One just shut off. I can't tell. I think it was probably something in there got turned off. There's another Carrier base model. Straight cool air conditioner. And I hear someone's microwave. 2017 to 1.5 ton maybe. Here's an old, very old, older American Standard Alliance. High efficient Alliance. Nowhere near as efficient as ones nowadays. 1996 Alliance 10. Allegiance 10. 1.5 ton. And it looks like we have a missing unit. Yep. Either missing or stolen unit. So look at that. Pad. Disconnect. And it still has the disconnect in, which is dangerous. I think I broke it. Oh well. It's not gonna be used for anything anyways. No, probably some of you are gonna hate on me for that. Newer efficient Carrier round one with 5 blades. And there's one hiding back there. Looks like a Lennox. American Standard. Allegiance 14. It doesn't. Ooh, this one's badly faded. 2004. This one's from. It is from 2004. I think it's a 1.5 ton with a newer Bristol compressor. That is right here. 2003. Either a 4 ton or a 3 ton. I believe so, if I'm correct. This is a heat pump. I already know the Alliance 10 is straight cool. This one's actually a straight cool. Yep, this one's actually a straight cool. Not in bad condition at all.
I almost got to touch a duck.
Oh, nice. I actually got close to doing that one time too.
Someone's dog started barking and I ran away. I was about to pet a duck for the first time. First time for everything, and my first time got run from a stupid dog.
I guess that's a straight cool too.
I bet you would probably juke. Say, why your dog sounding so loud?
Yeah.
Better pop it.
I actually already gave him a walk today. Alright. So many units here, it's not even funny. That door is cracked.
Oh, dirty. Dirty might have hit off our car.
Yeah.
That would have been a major oof for our car.
And the door.
Yeah, and the door.